French automaker Alpine is giving us a glimpse into the future of the auto industry with its concept hypercar unveiled at the Paris Motor Show, the Alpine Alpenglow. Even in preliminary sketches, it's undeniably impressive. The final design showcased at the motor show reflects Alpine's developmental direction. The Alpenglow is envisioned to shine both on racetracks and regular roads, featuring a central seating arrangement for the pilot and a hydrogen internal combustion engine working in tandem with a hybrid powertrain. While the Alpenglow won't see production, some of the design concepts introduced are expected to influence future cars. CITROEN introduced the 1919 concept electric car to commemorate the centenary of this iconic French company, named after its founding year. Infusing their vision of mobility, the concept is loaded with intriguing features. With two motors, the CITROEN 1919 packs a total of 462 horsepower, offering an 800 km journey on a single charge and accelerating up to 200 km per hour. Adding a touch of style, the concept sports Goodyear tires measuring about a meter in diameter. With predictions that the International Space Station, ISS, might conclude by 2030, many scientists are looking toward exploring the oceans. Deep, a British company, is gearing up to construct an underwater equivalent of the ISS called Sentinel. If all goes well, scientists could begin operations there by 2027. The station will be positioned 200 meters below the surface, where much underwater life thrives. An interesting aspect is that they're utilizing 3D printing, specifically WAM technology for metal printing, to create parts for Sentinel. The World Health Organization, WHO, and the United Nations highlight that more than half the global population lacks basic healthcare access. In response, the French team at Flying Whales is tackling the issue by developing colossal airships, reaching up to 200 meters in length, equipped with cargo compartments spanning 96 meters. These giants will transport containers that can convert into mobile hospitals. Production of these massive airships is slated to commence next year, with plans for them to take flight in 2025. Malaysia brought a surprise to the scene when the local company Koto showcased its inaugural fully customized bike, the Valkyrie. Drawing inspiration from a combat robot in the anime Gundam, this bike houses a 650 cubic centimeters engine sourced from a Kawasaki Ninja 650R. The masters behind it have skillfully incorporated parts from a BMW S1000RR and a Ducati 916. The Valkyrie's body kit, boasting a ground clearance of approximately 70 millimeters, was crafted through 3D printing, and it stretches 2.9 meters in length. Riding the Valkyrie is a challenge tailor-made for the adventurous. Xpeng Motors, a major Chinese smart car manufacturer valued at over $7 billion, is venturing into the realm of flying cars. One of their concepts, the Xpeng AeroHT, demonstrates the ingenuity of Chinese engineers. They've ingeniously integrated a separate flying module into the car's trunk. When it's time to take to the skies, the module smoothly slides out, disconnects, and you're ready for takeoff. Simultaneously, they're not neglecting more conventional flying car designs. The Xpeng AeroHT X2 prototype is currently undergoing testing. This electric flying car can reach speeds of up to 130 km per hour and secured approval for piloted flights ahead of its competitors. If you've got a craving for a grander wave riding experience, check out the Xpeng Superyacht crafted by the Indian studio Bush and Power Design. This 110-meter concept draws inspiration from black holes and comes with an approximate price tag of $500 million. It comfortably accommodates 20 guests and 20 crew members, featuring luxurious amenities like a dining area, glass-bottom swimming pool, gym, jet ski garage, and even an elevator. Topping the list of features is a 12-meter helipad, promising an unmatched level of luxury. The talented folks at the Lazzarini Design Studio, known to our regular viewers, have once again delivered. This time, they've unveiled a flying car concept, a remarkable 6-meter vehicle powered by 4 Rolls-Royce engines, featuring a sleek carbon monocoque. If this concept becomes a reality, it could accommodate 4 passengers, though keeping your eyes open might be a challenge given its speed of around 750 km per hour. Interestingly, this car would run on jet fuel. Considering all these exciting details, it's quite astonishing that the head of the studio intends to build a prototype next year.